Hello friends, welcome to another video on Excel. Today we will be creating a salary sheet in Excel. So let's start the video. Here we have basic salary and here is the name, and they are given DA 10%, TA 12%, gross salary, PF 18% and net salary. Okay, so to calculate the DA, press equal to, select the basic salary, multiply by 10%, press enter. DA will be 1500 and TA, press equal to, select this basic salary, multiply by 12%, plus enter. Gross salary, it will be sum of basic salary, DA and TA. So press equal to, use sum formula, double click, select these cells, press enter. Now PF 18% equal to, select this gross salary, multiply by 18%, press enter. This will be the PF. So total net salary will be a gross salary minus PF. This is our net salary. So select these cells, drag till down, all the formulas will copy. I hope you found these useful tricks. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.